Hello everybody. For today's video we're going to show you how you would measure the diameter of a vessel on the Sonosite PX. It's the one we normally use in our ICU. So as you can see here we have a great picture of our vessel in question. We want to measure the diameter of our artery, and yep, it is pulsatile, so we're good. So the first thing is I like to have it nice and centered and apply as little pressure as possible, because the more pressure you do, you're actually going to be compressing your vessel. So that's not going to give you an accurate reflection of how big the vessel is. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to come down to this snowflake or freeze button. You're going to freeze it, and you can see our screen is now frozen. Now from here, you're going to come down to your caliper button, press it, and up will come some X's. You then see the highlighted green X. You then go to your trackpad and move one of them to the bottom side of the vessel. You now need to choose the other X, and you do that by pressing the select button. And you can see here your X is now highlighted. You then move it to the other side of your vessel, and what's displayed in the top left is the distance. So you now have a right radial artery diameter of 0.28 centimeters, which is feasible to use a 20 gauge indwelling catheter. Should you have a vessel smaller than 0.2 centimeters, you should be using a 22 gauge catheter. And that's how you would go about measuring the arterial vessels, or any vessel, on the Sonosite PX.